highlight this so it stands out. Since we know that these things are congruent, we can now conclude that our lines are going to be parallel. So that's going to be the converse of the corresponding angles postulate. Let's do another one. Number 4, proving the converse. So we need to prove that the lines are parallel. We don't know that they're parallel yet. We need to prove that. So let's take a look. We're given that 3 and 6 are the same. That was our given information. Well, in order to say that the lines are parallel, our only tool is the converse of the corresponding angles postulate. So we need to get a pair of corresponding angles that are the same. I can get from here to here. I can get from here to here because those are vertical angles. So 3 and 2 are congruent because of the vertical angles theorem. Well, this is nice. I have that 3 is congruent to 6 and 3 is congruent to 2. That means these two have to be the same. That's my transitive property of congruence. Okay, we'll take a look. We now have that angle 2 is congruent to angle 6. That's a pair of corresponding angles. Since our corresponding angles are congruent, my lines will be parallel based on the converse of the corresponding angles postulate. Okay? So it's time for you to practice this. So if you look at number 6, you'll notice this is another converse problem. So you need to find a way to make corresponding angles congruent so that you can state that their lines are parallel based on the converse of the corresponding angles postulate. So try these two on your own if you haven't already. The key is going to be on Blackboard. Remember, for this back page, all these things, for honors, you need to be able to do these. We'll give you some steps. So notice on this copy, there's some steps filled in. You would have to do something more like this. For regular, you just need to worry about numbers 1 through 6. Okay, so if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email. I'll be after school today, which is Monday, and tomorrow, which is Tuesday. And I hope that this is helpful for you. There you go.